Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, which of the following shows relation between orange, fruits and grapes? As suppose this circle represent fruits. As orange and grapes are fruits, but these are different fruits. So this will be included in this circle. Suppose this is orange and this is grapes. So our diagram will be like this. So our correct option will be option C. Option C.